Crosland Place is a community of 9 courtyard dwellings with a garden at its heart in Lavender Hill. Our site is the site of a sheet steel fabricator's workshop. It's completely contained, so it's a sort of dead end contained by garden walls. So significant constraints in terms of proximity, daylight, views to and into the site.
The building that was actually here was actually rather lovely, but it had no windows and it had no energy performance rating at all. So we knew we had to start again.
Any solution needed to really acknowledge this sense of the space as a destination.
When you come here down the mews, you can hardly see the building at all. Even that's a surprise. It sort of exceeds your expectations.
It's like a walled garden that you come across. It creates a sort of calm, secluded place in which a small-scale community can live.
So the good thing here is all the buildings have been designed so that each person's view is different. So the people downstairs can't see upstairs and you can't see the people just across from you.
You're very intimate to surfaces. So the choices of, say, the brick, it was really essential to understand its haptic qualities, its texture, its colour. We chose a Danish brick that has an engobe slip. This slip gives different textures and colours to the brick. And this gives a sort of soft texture. It's made by hands. It's not really a mechanical process, it's a sort of human process. The dwellings are like inner worlds. They're like a world to themselves. They have a centre, which is a courtyard on the ground level, which one bedroom looks into and the bathroom also looks into with a shutter that can open directly to the courtyard. And that courtyard is linked to a first floor balcony.
What we really like is the lighting upstairs. You have a lot of light, you can see the light flows through the whole apartment.
We're involved in the detailing of every aspect, the curtains and colours, as well as the ironmongery and the tiling of the bathrooms.
With the colours, with the tiles downstairs, you just feel that you're on holiday, so you can enjoy yourself here.
Our idea was that the ground floor of the dwellings would be terracotta tile that would run right through the courtyard. On the first floor there are oak boards as you rise up into the kind of roof space, which is exposed timber.
Even if you're working from home, it's just colours where you can really feel homely.
We always intended that the garden would be a full garden into which pathways would be placed. The intention is that the garden is the dominant surface and material, and the clay pavers create a kind of clearing into which you can sit and exchange with your neighbour.
We want to have something that just nestles into what was there already, and this has done exactly that.
Thinking environmentally, thinking about human exchange, creating comfort and privacy, these are things that can be handed on and used again.